Today we are going to cook a dish that we love, and I hope you will love it too. Hi everybody, today I will show you how to prepare another amazing ketogenic recipe. Lamb chops with avocado cream. I hope you will like it. Hi, here are the ingredients, and as you can see, they are very simple because this way of eating is not complicated. You will need some salt. I use this one because it has already some herbs inside, like rosemary and red hot chili peppers. Then garlic, powdered garlic, but real garlic is even better. Always remember to consider the carbs content. Then for the sauce, you will need olive oil, avocados and mayo. I do my own mayo, as you can see in the description below. I will put you the link with MCT oil, but today I will use this one because I'm traveling and I bought this mayo that seems very healthy. It doesn't have soya and canola oil and it doesn't have added sugar. But let's start by browning our main ingredient, ribs. We need to warm some olive oil with our garlic, and as you can see, I'm not very good in doing this, so I will put it on a bigger flame before adding the meat. Meanwhile, I will put other olive oil in the oven tray because this is such an important ingredient on a ketogenic diet. Olive oil gives us a lot of good fat, that means high ketosis and high level of energy. I just discovered the secret of this kitchen. There is a double flame. I've never seen something like this, but I think it's really a great idea, and the oil will be at the perfect temperature in no time. As you know, I'm not at home, so everything is more difficult, but it's also more exciting, and I'm really happy to try new cooking technique and new tools. It's already time to turn our ribs on the other side. We were only browning our meat and we will finish cooking it in the oven. So let's do this. As you know, I love cooking using my hands. I think it's a very natural and instinctive way to prepare our food. It's also fun and very easy, but your hands must be really clean and you must pay attention because you can easily get burned. Now just a little bit of salt and we can put our ribs in the oven. The oven must be preheated and the temperature is 325 degrees Fahrenheit, that is about 170 Celsius. They will be baking for about 20 minutes, but please always check it because the oven can be a little bit different. Now we have time to prepare the sauce. Eating a high-fat diet means also that adding sauce can help you not to exceed with the protein because the sauce is really fat and you will feel full so much faster than eating just protein. It's really a great ketogenic tip. To Today I will prepare a very easy sauce using avocado, but as we all know, finding the right avocado is not so easy. This one is quite good, so I will cut it and mix with our mayo. This is the easiest way to cut an avocado. You will only need to make some incision horizontally and other vertically. Then you can take it out with a spoon and you will have some cubes that will be very easy to transform into a cream. Like always, I must thank my son because he is very patient and he always helped me with recording my videos. Grazie Umberto! Now let's add a lot of mayo, some powdered garlic and some salt, and we will have our delicious ketogenic sauce. While cooking is really much more fun if you do more things at the same time. I like to put everything in the dishwasher and to have my kitchen clean when I finish the recipe. This time I must be very careful because I cannot forget my ribs. They are baking for just 20 minutes and I promise you that 20 minutes flies when you are cooking. So let's keep an eye on the sauce and the other one on the oven. Finally, the moment that I love. As you know, all my dishes are really very easy, but presenting them in the right way is something important to me because it makes me happy, and I hope that also the people eating with me will enjoy my food a little bit more. As you all can see, our lamb chops look really amazing, and I can promise you that they smell even better. So let's go and finish this dish without burning our hands on the tray. This meat is really delicious, but with the avocado sauce will be even better. But now it's time for our ketogenic tip of the day. Do you remember the olive oil that was in the pan? That olive oil had also powdered garlic, salt and some spices that were mixed into the sauce. So it has a lot of flavor, a lot of good fat, and we will put it on top of our lamb chops in order to give them more flavor and to make them even more low carb and high fat. I really hope you liked today's recipe, today's amazing setting for this recipe, and you will consider subscribing to my channel. See you here with a video in English every Monday, but also with the same video in Spanish on Wednesday and in Italian on Friday. Thank you all so much!